head to the hidden Ngao Wu Reservoir, a private water storage pond located right behind the residential estates in Ma On Shan, Hong Kong. It is a relatively short and easy hike, taking about 25 to 30 minutes from the nearest train station. Transportation and route details. Step 1. Take the MTR Twin Ma line to Wu Kai Sha Station and leave via Exit B. Step 2. From the exit, walk south towards the Com Ying Court or Li On Estate residential towers. Step 3. Head to the back of Com Ying Court, where you will find the concrete steps and the dirt trail leading up into the forested Ma On Shan hillside. Step 4. Follow the uphill dirt path alongside the Ngao Wu stream. After a short trek through the trees, the path opens up directly onto the wide, rocky beach area facing the small concrete dam pictured.